Hey guys, you're pretending to buy a new Tesla? So I'm gonna show you how to check the check engine light on your Tesla on the dashboard. You see you got notification in here, but that just show you just windshield fluid. You don't have like much information in here. So what you have to do is go to menu and then tap on software and then tap on Model 3 for 2 or 3 seconds, and then you see the bubble, then release it your finger and then tap service. Oh, sorry, service, and then click on OK, click on enter, and now you are on service mode on your Tesla. So this side menu is gonna show you all the light you have on your dashboard. See, vehicle function, I got 4 lights on this Tesla. See the first one, this one I got coolant valve calibration, so I got this code. So I got the same code in here. I got 3 codes for the back seats, and I got the same code for washer fluid and washer fluid. So this is how you check your check engine light on your Tesla. So if you wanna exit from this screen, so you tap in the vehicle in here and then hold exit service mode. Now there you go. So go again. I will show you one more time. Tap on the little vehicle, software, press for 2 seconds in here, and then tap service, and then click on OK, and then click on enter, and then you are on